All right, so we are out here at SeaWorld San Diego to dive like a penguin on Emperor. Are you ready to be the penguin?
I love penguins!
All right, guys, here we go. We're riding Emperor here at SeaWorld San Diego. Are you ready to be a penguin?
Yeah!
Kristen, are you gonna dive into the water?
Yeah!
All right, let's do this, guys. We're climbing 150 feet up into the air, and we are going to dive down like an emperor penguin. All right, here we go. This lift hill seems pretty fast.
It's just steep too.
It is steep. All right.
I mean, penguins are pretty fast. They're nimble little creatures.
All right, guys, we're almost at the top. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
We can do this.
Oh, super fast.
All right.
Yeah, pretty.
Here we go. Oh, we got a lakeside view. It's fantastic. I see kayakers. I see penguins. Oh, man, here we go. Get ready for it. They're going to hold us over the drop. Oh, crap. Oh, we are being held. Get ready to dive, penguins. Dive! Woo! Oh, man. We dived like a penguin. Woo! Oh, man, I love it. Ready? Whee! Oh, that was a funky element. Woo! Oh, and here we go. Into the brakes. Woo! Yeah. All right, penguins, how did we do? Yay! Awesome. Get ready, here we go. We're thinking about it, and we're about to dive. We're diving like a penguin! Whee! Oh, we're twisting like a penguin! Oh, man! Woo! Ready? Penguin twist! Oh! Woo! Oh! And here we go, diving into the brake run just like a penguin. Woo! Get ready for it. They're gonna hold us over the drop. Oh, crap. Oh, we are being held. Get ready to dive, penguins. Dive! Woo! Oh, man. We dived like a penguin. Woo! Oh, man, I love it. Ready? Whee! Oh, that was a funky element. Woo! Oh! And here we go. Into the brakes. Woo! Yeah. All right, penguins, how did we do? Yay! Awesome.
Hello, drop. Oh, dear. And we're about to go straight down. Whoa!